Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby. In today's video, I will be doing this makeup look, halo look, this right here. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. So I'm going to start with my moisturizer. This is the C.E.O Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream from Sunday Riley. Right here. Use the Benefit Give Me Brow. It's a little tube like that. Mine's fading out because I use it so much. So I literally just brush up. I use the shade number 3. I literally just brush it through so you see the difference. I feel like I'm a little bald right here at the moment. Okay, that's better. So I'm gonna use my beauty blender to put the base on my eyes so I could get started. I'm gonna use the so I just put a little bit like that. Okay, this one is good. So I'm gonna actually set that right away so it doesn't crease. I'm gonna be using the Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh powder. It's one of my favorites at the moment because when you apply it, it's kind of like, it feels a little bit like wet, but it's not wet. And so yeah, it's one of my favorites at the moment just because I don't know, it just makes me feel like it's not like so powdery. I'm gonna go with the new Nude palette by Huda Beauty. What shall I do? La 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 la. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe E23. I'm gonna go into the shade Secret. So I'm just gonna apply that on the crease, back and forth motions. So I'm just gonna keep blending. I'm going more for a pinky type of color today. So I'm just, here. So my makeup. So this is what I have so far. I'm actually gonna deepen that up with the shade Tickle. I'm going to use a Morphe body brush. This is a JH31, so I'm gonna use the shade Tickle. I'm going to dip into the shade Raw. Even deeper. With this, I'm gonna make a halo. I'm gonna go for a halo. I'm actually gonna end up doing a halo. So you see, this is what I got going so. I'm gonna do the shade Grade. Blend the edges out with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH31, the one I was using before to pack on my lid. So I'm just gonna go right there and blend it. So that is my eyes. So I'm not gonna do wing. I'm just going to tightline my lash line. So just tightline. I'm gonna curl my natural lashes. I'm going to be using the Salon Perfect 614 lash. It's one of my favorites. It's like the wispy, but it's just like a little more than the wispy. Just love it. It's one of my favorites. Lash glue I'm going to be using is a Cammy, I'm not sure if I say her name right, Cammy Nguyen. It's waterproof lash adhesive. It's latex free. To my lash line, I like to put it in the center as close as I can to my lash line, and then I just literally pull it from the outer corner right now. So that's what it looks like. So the Big Ego Tarte mascara. POREfessional Hydrate primer. Hydration creams and everything, so it actually feels very nice on my face. I'm going to be using the Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. It's oil free, so let's get started on this face. Blender, I'm just gonna tap and get started. I always like to start on my left side. I have no idea why. It's my right side. I'm gonna be using the ColorPop No Filter Concealer, the same one I used on my base for my eyes. It's night number 16. So I'm just gonna, I want to brighten up. Foundation's a lot darker. I'm gonna set my under eyes right away, just because I do tend to crease because my eyes are so dry. It came in my BoxyCharm box, honestly, but I actually really liked it because it just literally gets right under. want to warm up my face a little. I'm gonna use the Morphe C3.55. I actually really like using the concealer to bronze myself up because I do have a lot of little break, like a lot of texture by there, so it doesn't really show it as much with the concealer. This is the JH01. Literally just tapping because I don't want that much powder. So just swirl, swirl, tap, tap, swirl, swirl, tap, tap. Now I'm going to warm up my face. I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit because I just feel like sometimes I do need a little more. Not always, but sometimes. I'm going to be using a blush from Nars. The shade is called Orgasm. So I'm just gonna smile. The apples of my cheeks just go in. And I'm just gonna just tap a little bit into my nose. I'm going to be using the Morphe M510 for my highlighter. The highlighter I will be using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's called Amrezy. It was in collab with Amrezy. New Nude eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. And I'm just gonna get the shade Secret Garden, Tickle, and Raw mixed together. So I'm just gonna tap into all of them. Apply it to the bottom of my lash line very carefully. I'm going to be using the NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade WP01 in the shade Light. So I'm just literally going to apply right there. I'm going to do the shade Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette. To put a little mascara. Now I'm gonna do my lipstick. I'm gonna go for a more nudie pink. I'm gonna be using the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in 03. Instead of just lining my whole lip, I'm just gonna fill, line and fill. Oh, this is Dose of Colors, and the shade is Doing the Most. I'm pretty sure this is a collaboration with Katie and Desi Perkins. So there you have it. A pink halo look. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.